Hi everybody and welcome to Smart Home Improvement. Today we're going to delve into the world of conservatories, okay, to find fantastic ways that you can extend your living space and enhance your home value, okay, but looking at more and explore more affordable options so you can transform your property without compromising on price, because one of the things that people generally think is that conservatories are very expensive, which to a degree, yep, they can be expensive. Okay, so what we're going to do is have a look. So obviously, what are the benefits of having a conservatory? Okay, so main benefits for people generally, for the reasons that people will get a conservatory, number one is increased living space. So maybe they want to turn it, I know somebody turned it into a bedroom. Maybe, when you've got friends and family over, you know, especially during the summer, that type of thing. A lot of people do that. Obviously, you can get improved energy efficiency, so more modern conservatories can be highly energy efficient. Okay, and then obviously increase property value. So conservatories can obviously add a lot of value to your property, especially because the way that they're normally done is it's adding an extra room. So if you're living in a 3-bedroom house, it turns it into a 4-bedroom house. That's what is actually considered when our property goes on the market. So obviously it's added value. So what are the affordable conservatory options? Okay, so there are a few options available. Okay, so the number one option is to obviously get a DIY conservatory kit, which there are quite a few companies which do offer that option, which makes it really cost effective. It drastically drops the price. Okay, but one of the downsides, you need to know what you're doing at the end of the day. You need a few DIY skills. So as long as you've got that, that is a good option. So there's lots of places like B&Q can do them, Wix can do them, and there's lots of other companies online that you can easily find but be able to do those. Okay, next option, okay, is an orangery. Now the problem is with an orangery, okay, it's different to a conservatory. We're putting it out there because it is slightly different, but they can be a bit on the tad pricey side. Okay, so if you are looking for something on a budget, might not be so much of a good option for you, but obviously there is that. Okay, the next option, which tend to be the cheapest option in the types of conservatories on the market. So we're going to tell you about two. Okay, number one is the lean-to conservatory. It is the cheapest option. Okay, so obviously the name gives it away. It leans onto, the back of the house and the way that the roof's done and everything. Okay, now the negative side of it, okay, is it has a smaller footprint compared to the other options. Okay, they don't generally come out as far either. Okay, but they are good for space saving and they're extremely affordable, and there's a lot of different modern designs for those. Okay, and they are, like I say, they are very popular, and you do see a lot of properties with those. I know my mum used to have one of those. Okay, the other option is the gable end conservatory, which is a classic design, but it can be a bit more expensive, especially for larger sizes. So if you're after a really big conservatory, they can be, with the initial costs, they can be a bit more expensive. Okay, and then obviously the other option is getting a prefabricated conservatory, which you'll get a quick installation and they can be extremely affordable, and there's a variation of different styles. But you're going to be limited on customization options, which you're not going to get with the lean-to and the gable end conservatories. Okay. Now the other thing is, if you're looking at keeping the price down, okay, obviously you're not going to want to go down the route of a tiled roof. You're going to want either a glass roof or the polycarbonate roof. Now, obviously, the polycarbonate roof is the cheapest option. It's much cheaper than the glass roof, but a lot of people are going to complain about the polycarbonate roof. You know, I hate to go down the old jargon, what you used to do, you know, when you used to knock doors and everything, but polycarbonate roof, you know, people complain that the conservatory gets extremely hot during the summer and ever so cold during the winter. And obviously the glass roof can get you away from that. So glass roof will have slightly more outlay, but in the long term it's a much better option for you. Okay, now the other things, because the less you're going to change, you know, a lot of people will get a lot of brick. Now if you bring in a lot of brick into the conservatory, you know, it's going to increase the price. So if you keep it more UPVC and glass, it'll reduce the price. Okay, obviously another option, another thing you can do is obviously shop around. You know, go to as many companies as humanly possible. Let them know you're shopping around. Don't keep it secret. Don't think keep it secret so they don't know. Let them know you're shopping around, because they'll give you more discounts and they'll try it, because at the end of the day they're going to want your business, so they'll reduce the price at the end of the day. So I hope this helps you out a little bit. If you do have any questions, or there's anything else you want to know, or maybe there's a subject you'd like us to do a video on, you know, do put a comment below. But for now, thanks for listening. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and obviously like the video as well. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.